Welcome to the Manufacturing Masters podcast with your host, Allison Ford.
Have you ever brought in a consultant or been at an organization where they bring in a consultant or a team and you try to implement change? You do it without getting buy-in from your employees, and ultimately the changes never really happen. Well, I'm here to tell you, you can experience a 360-degree opposite effect after you listen to the expertise of today's guest. Paul Vragel is not only a value creator and an interim COO, he's also president of For a Better Business. He's also an expert on the Manufacturing Masters platform and has some fantastic videos that you've got to check out. And he has a surprising past that I know you're going to want to hear about that brought him to the processes and experiences that he brings to manufacturers today. It's pretty cool. So join Paul and I as we dive into this courageous conversation about change and what it takes to set the stage to get rapid and different results. Everybody, welcome my guest, Paul Vragel. Here we grow. Hey, Paul.
Hey, Allison. How are you today?
I'm good. Thanks for spending some time with us.
Hey,
I'm so excited. I've got a quick question for you. People are going to be a little surprised to know, how did you go from naval architecture and marine engineering to what you're doing today as a value creator and an interim COO?